Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Reserved versus on-demand versus spot instances. Understanding the cost structure of AWS services is crucial for optimizing cloud expenditure and maximizing the value derived from AWS offerings. Among the key AWS pricing models are reserved instances, on-demand instances, and spot instances. Each of these models provides distinct advantages and trade-offs tailored to different usage patterns and financial considerations. Reserved instances offer a pricing model that allows users to commit to using AWS resources for a 1-year or 3-year term in exchange for a significant discount compared to on-demand pricing. This model is particularly advantageous for predictable workloads and long-term projects. For example, a company with steady-state applications, such as a web server or a database server that runs continuously, can benefit from the cost savings provided by RIs. The reservation options include standard reserved instances, which offer the highest discount but require upfront payment and commitment, and convertible reserved instances, which offer flexibility to change instance types within the same family, albeit at a slightly lower discount. On-demand instances, on the other hand, provide the flexibility to pay for compute capacity by the second, with no long-term commitments or upfront payments. This model is ideal for applications with unpredictable workloads, such as development and testing environments, or for applications with short-term, spiky, or unpredictable workloads. For instance, a startup developing a new application may opt to use on-demand instances to avoid the commitment and upfront costs associated with RIs until the workload stabilizes. The convenience of on-demand pricing lies in its flexibility, allowing users to scale up or down based on current demand without the need for forecasting future usage accurately. Spot instances offer the potential for significant cost savings by taking advantage of AWS's unused EC2 capacity. Users can bid on spare capacity, and instances are provided at up to 90% discount compared to on-demand prices. However, this model comes with the risk that instances can be terminated by AWS with just a 2-minute warning if the capacity is needed elsewhere. This makes spot instances well-suited for fault-tolerant and flexible applications, such as batch processing, big data analytics, and containerized workloads. An example of an organization leveraging spot instances could be a scientific research team running large-scale simulations or data analysis tasks that can be interrupted and resumed without significant impact. Economic considerations play a pivotal role in determining which instance type to use. Reserved instances can provide up to a 75% discount over on-demand pricing, making them an attractive option for applications with steady-state or predictable utilization. On the other hand, the pay-as-you-go nature of on-demand instances, although more expensive, offers the highest level of flexibility, which is crucial for dynamic workloads. Spot instances, with their substantial discounts, offer the lowest cost option but require applications to be architected to handle sudden interruptions, thereby adding complexity to the application design. A critical aspect to consider when choosing between these pricing models is the total cost of ownership. TCO includes all direct and indirect costs associated with a particular instance type over its life cycle. For reserved instances, the TCO calculation must factor in the upfront payment, the hourly rate, and the duration of the commitment. For on-demand instances, the TCO is straightforward, consisting of the hourly rate multiplied by the usage hours. Spot instances, TCO can be more complex due to the variability in pricing and the potential for instance termination, which may necessitate additional engineering efforts to manage interruptions. Another dimension to consider is the concept of opportunity cost, particularly relevant for spot instances. While the initial financial savings are attractive, the potential cost of application interruptions and the resulting need for robust fault tolerance mechanisms must be weighed. This opportunity cost can sometimes offset the direct financial savings, making on-demand or reserved instances more economically viable despite their higher nominal cost. Integrating these pricing models into a cloud strategy often involves a hybrid approach. Organizations may use a combination of reserved instances for baseline capacity, on-demand instances for unpredictable or peak demand, and spot instances for non-critical and flexible workloads. This approach enables organizations to optimize costs while maintaining the necessary flexibility and reliability. The decision-making process also involves evaluating the potential impact on operational efficiency and performance. Reserved instances, with their guaranteed capacity, can provide consistent performance for critical applications, ensuring that service-level agreements are met. On-demand instances, while offering flexibility, may sometimes experience variability in performance due to the shared nature of cloud resources. Spot instances, with the possibility of sudden termination, require applications to be designed to handle such interruptions gracefully, often through the use of checkpointing, data replication, or other resilience strategies. In conclusion, the choice between reserved instances, on-demand instances, and spot instances depends on a multitude of factors, including workload predictability, cost considerations, application architecture, and operational requirements. Reserved instances offer cost savings for predictable workloads. On-demand instances provide flexibility for dynamic and unpredictable workloads, and spot instances deliver the lowest cost for fault-tolerant applications. By understanding and strategically leveraging these different pricing models, organizations can optimize their AWS expenditures and achieve a balance between cost, flexibility, and performance. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.